Okay, so we will be testing DeepAI to create a logo for our YouTube channel. So this is their website. You can just search DeepAI on Google, and here you can see how they are presenting it, how it works. We just need to describe what we want, and it will generate it for us. So let's try it. Okay, so I'm having a small gaming channel which I just started. So I will be I will like my logo to be something related to gaming. So let's gaming boy squaring. Let's see what it generates. And I want it in this style, cyberpunk. So let's see what we get. Okay, so this is what we get as a result. It's fine. Some more related ideas. Okay, stay tuned. Next time we will try some other AI image generators also, and we will compare them. Which one gives us the best result?